guys. Okay, so I have filed for 1,100 feet. I'm flying VFR over to West Houston Airport because unfortunately the servos for my autopilot are no longer good.
Yes. That's it. Autopilot servo right there. So there was a defect in these, and they are replacing all of them, probably thousands of them around the country. So there we go, brand new servos for the airplane.
I am getting those replaced. This will take me probably 6 minutes to get over there. I've got everything set up. There's a few clouds, so I'm staying pretty low. And worst case scenario, I'll pick up a IFR if I need to in the air. So that'll all be good. 12305 is going to be their CTAF frequency. I've got my weather frequency in here already. Traffic pattern altitude will be 1,100 feet, so we'll fly over there at 1,100. That should be good too. Sugar Land Tower, Cherokee 773, November, holding short 17, ready for departure.
Cherokee 773, November, Sugar Land Tower, number 2, hold short, runway 17.
Number 2, hold short 173, November, thanks. Cool.
Cherokee 773, November, runway 17, clear for takeoff. Make a left downwind departure. Cessna midfield airborne is in the pattern on the east side.
17, clear for takeoff. I'll depart the pattern on the left side, and I'll keep an eye out for the Cessna for 7738 November. Thank you. Nobody's on final. I still have him in sight. All gauges are in the green. On the proper tank. All looks good. Excellent. There's my center line. Full power. Airspeed's alive. All gauges are still in the green. And rotate. Nose forward. Perfect. Traffic to follow is in sight.
7, runway heading for 1 mile, then left traffic midfield, 9 for Charlie.
Starting their turn. Starting mine. 200 feet to go. $100 feet to go. $1,100. Electric fuel pump off. Fuel pressure's in the green. Landing light off. That looks good.
An automated weather observation test at 1636 Zulu. Wind 120 at 3 knots. Visibility 10. Ceiling view at 2400. Temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Dew point 21 degrees Celsius. Altimeter 294. Relative humidity 67%. Density altitude 1,500 feet. Condensation altitude 3,400 feet.
Cherokee 773, November, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank you. 3 November.
Yeah.
Alright, so weather over there is good. I'm going to plan on using runway 15, so I'll stay here to the left a bit, have left traffic pattern. Frequency change is approved, so let's switch over here, find out what's going on at West Houston Airport. West Houston traffic, Cherokee 7738 November, just departed Sugar Land Regional, about 8 nautical miles to the south. We'll be lining up to enter a long downwind runway 15. The sky is 700 feet above me. I think I know where the field is. Pretty sure I have it in sight, but we'll stay on this side a little bit longer before I start turning back to the left.
Houston traffic at 6 exit Alpha, present 4 mile final flying at 33 West Houston.
Real quick, just in case you missed it, I picked runway 15 because the winds were coming from 120 at 3 knots, and several other pilots have been taking off and landing using runway 15 as well. Now, the new pilot that just hopped on frequency has every intention of landing runway 33, the opposite end that everyone else is using. Let's see what happens next.
Over here, about 5 degrees. And I've got the field in sight. Left downwind. Perfect. West Houston traffic, Turkey 773 November is entering a long left downwind, runway 15. This will be a full stop, West Houston. Clear of the departure end of that runway, so that will be no factor for me.
Houston traffic at 6 exit Alpha, short final for 23, we're going to break out here in circle for 15, West Houston.
Guess they decided not to use runway 33. I listened to the wind, so I know that 15 is definitely better.
So at this point, I'm being extra vigilant because I'm pretty sure that he is unaware of how close he actually is to me. I still have plenty of safety margin, but I am going to start slowing down.
Houston traffic at 6 exit Alpha, breaking out and doing left downwind for runway 15, circle to land, West Houston.
0 Alpha Alpha, I am also on the left downwind. I'm going to slow it down so you guys can get in front of me.
Thank you so much.
Alright, so I've got him in sight. We're going to make a 360 here. West Houston traffic, Turkey 773 November is making a right 360 left downwind runway 15 for traffic, West Houston.
Okay, friends, now that we know everything worked out, realistically speaking, this is exactly what happened. The pilot that came in to shoot the RNAV 33 instrument approach was on an IFR flight plan. If this was in fact the case, they never heard my initial radio calls on the CTAF frequency because they were still talking to air traffic control. This does happen from time to time. So, me being the VFR pilot, visual flight rules, it's my responsibility to be looking out for traffic, staying out of clouds, and just staying very vigilant with a lot of situational awareness. As soon as they came on frequency, I kept them in sight the entire time, and as soon as they decided to switch to runway 15, I slowed myself way down, and as you can see in this clip, even decided to execute a full 360-degree turn just to give them plenty of time to get down to the runway before I continued my own descent.
West Houston traffic, Turkey 773 November is completing the right 360 left downwind runway 15. This will be a full stop, West Houston. All right. There we go. I've still got him in sight, no factor. Beautiful. Roll out. Mixture's full rich, fuel pump landing light, rotating beacon on, pitot heat, carb heat's off, primer is in and locked. And winds are pushing me a little closer to the field. West Houston traffic, Turkey 773 November, left downwind, runway 15. This will be a full stop, West Houston. Excellent. RPM's 1800. First notch of flaps 10 degrees. A little bit more power. A little bit more back trim. West Houston traffic, Turkey 773 November is turning left base 15 full stop, West Houston. No other traffic is observed. Airspeed's still good. All gauges still in the green. Perfect. Gonna fly right over this beautiful golf course. Love it. Second notch 25 degrees. Still no traffic on final. Looks like he has cleared the runway. West Houston traffic, Turkey 773 November, turning final, runway 15 full stop, West Houston.
A ton of you have been asking me to show you what it looks like when I land from the ground, and here you go.
Let's get top off on 660 autopilot, Beach Report.
It's a nice little flight. It's hot, but it was good. We made it. Come see my craziness. 11 nautical mile flight, and there's always something that goes on.